welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shelly, and today I am doing a quick speed clean. We just got back from vacation a few days ago, so my house is kind of a little bit in shambles. We did a deep clean before we left. I'll link that below, but it just has kind of blown up since we've been home, and the jet lag was real. So I take you with me on doing a quick speed clean. I only have about 20 minutes to get this done. So come along with me, clean with me. I hope this gives you good motivation. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and give this video a like if you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I decided to start with the dishes because I knew that it was going to be the most time consuming, and I was on a time crunch and was just trying to get as much done as possible. So it was the most time consuming, and it was giving me the most irritation to deal with. So thought I'd hurry and knock that out of the park, and it did take longer than I was expecting, so I didn't get much done. So this has turned into a speed cleaning of the kitchen. I hope you enjoy it. It does give a lot of good motivation. I always like watching dishes being done. I don't know why it's so satisfying, but I hope you enjoy that as well. And don't forget to leave a comment below as well. What are your summer plans? I would love to know. We had a great time in Maui, and it was just so fun to see my son's excitement for everything that we ended up going and doing. So it was really nice, and it wasn't as crazy as I thought it was going to be flying with a toddler. So it actually worked out really well. As I'm doing the dishes, my garbage disposal got full apparently, but I wanted to make sure there wasn't any silverware or anything big getting in there. Our garbage disposal doesn't do the best job, so I can't put lemons down there, unfortunately. I really love to do that. It gives a good smell and it cleans it really well, but it doesn't quite chop it all up as well as it should. So I waited until everything was out of it to turn the disposal on. Now I'm going to switch to a cleaner sponge, I guess, because these are not going in the dishwasher to get sanitized, and they are for my son. I don't like to put all of the plastic items of his in the dishwasher. I just want to make sure that they stay nice and fresh, but also some of the sippy cups or bottles I don't like to put in the dishwasher because it leaves, like, I don't know if it's like a melted plastic, or I don't know, or this taste of the dishwasher soap. It just doesn't, I don't like the way that it comes out. So I like to hand wash as much as possible. I did put a bunch in the dishwasher this time, but I saved the nipples for hand washing and his snack cup. So that is what I'm doing here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe out the sink and wipe down the counters. And unfortunately, that is all I had time for. I went ahead and vacuumed later that day, but this is a speed clean, not an all day clean, so we're not showing you that today. Stay tuned for the next video because it will be a whole house clean with me. It definitely needs to be done. And now that I'm back from Hawaii, I can plan and go ahead and purchase extra things to make better videos. So I plan on doing closet organization galore. I have like 4 closets I need to organize and get together, and also some like home makeover decorating videos coming up as well. I really love the coastal farmhouse decor, and I think it's kind of unique. I don't see it everywhere, so I want to take you along with me on that and give you some different inspiration that's still modern and trendy, but also just a different vibe than what you see everywhere. So I hope you guys enjoy that as well. And let's continue with these dishes. Most of my cleaning videos, I am using the Mrs. Meyer's Lemon Verbena multi-purpose spray. I love the fresh smell that it gives, and it really lasts a long time for me. I don't have to refill it a lot, and I do get the refills, and I just fill up the bottle again. I do want to switch to different scents, but the lemon has lasted me so long. I'm minimal. I don't like to have more than I need. So once I am out, I will switch up the scent to try something out. But for now, this is what I am using, and it is fabulous. I will be doing a Grove haul as well. I plan on ordering some Grove products, using some of my favorite YouTubers' codes so that they get helped out as well, and that I get some free goodies. I always recommend using your favorite influencers' codes to shop at the places that you normally shop. It really helps them out, and it doesn't cost you anything else. I think it's really great to support one another, and I mean they're selling it to you basically, because it's like working a commission job, I would think, because they're, you know, really introducing it to you and showing you why it's great. So always do that. It's just so nice, and we should really support each other. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you some great motivation and you were able to speed clean your kitchen or whatever part of the house that you needed to get done as well. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye guys.